YouTube. What's going on, y'all? So we're in Santa Maria, California, and we're gonna be picking up some wires. The guy said I'm getting 8 rolls of it, so they wanted me to put out 16 coil racks. Luckily I had them. I don't think it'd have been an issue if I didn't, but they said it makes it easier for them, so I got them, so I'm gonna put them out for them. Probably gonna pull over there in a minute where that guy is at, that white truck, and then yeah, I'm gonna get loaded and secure. I get to use chains today, so I'm gonna show y'all how I use these chains. You'll get to see that, hopefully, if I can record it. You never know, some places are different, so I don't know if they'll say anything, but if I can record it, I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So but yeah, I'm about to hop back in the truck and just wait until they call me to pull over there, and then we're gonna secure this load and get on the road. And we're going to Utah. No, I'm sorry, not Utah. I'm thinking about the load from the other day. But we're going to Colorado. Got to make 2 stops: Denver, Colorado, and then Loveland, Colorado as well. So all together, from the last load I dropped off, the total mileage will be over 1,300 miles when I deliver in Loveland, Colorado. So pretty good miles, can't complain. So yeah, I'm about to hop back in here and just wait till they call me over. Alright, y'all, so we just got done getting loaded. Couldn't record myself putting the chains through the hoop, but basically they got a pole you just put through the hose, and then you hook it to the other side. It's got like a chain hanging off, and you just pull the chain through with the pole, and then you know, secure it on each side. Stick the chains through the spools right here and hook them right here. So I'm about to tighten them down with the ratchet binder right now, and we're gonna be on our way. Y'all, so we're finally leaving now. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet. I gotta drive through LA, or actually it's more like the top of LA on 215, and traffic is gonna be crazy. I already know it's gonna be crazy, and on top of that, I looked on the Google GPS and it's showing that traffic is crazy. So I use the Google GPS sometimes just for traffic info. I don't use it to navigate myself or anything like that. I just, you know, use it for traffic info, and then sometimes I might use it just to get a more accurate location on where I have to deliver to. So like, you know, say if I'm driving and I get off the exit and I'm 3 miles from the place I got to deliver, you know, I'll kind of use that as a reference as well, just to you know, make sure I'm going to the exact location. So, but I'm still paying attention to signs and all that, and making sure I don't turn down the wrong street or anything like that, get caught up in a bad situation. So, but anyways, I plan on stopping at this Pilot that's right outside of LA. It's a little bit above LA on 15, and you know, hopefully I can make it through this traffic. I got enough time, honestly, to make it through, but you just never know. That LA traffic is crazy, man. I remember my first time, I think I picked up somewhere on the other side of Long Beach. So I picked up, and when I took off from this place, I had about 6 hours left, right? From Long Beach to Riverside, I think it literally probably took me about 4 or 5 hours just to go from Long Beach to Riverside. And I think that's about, if I can remember right, it's 30 miles. So literally, I'll wait. I don't wanna, I think that's a bike lane over there. I don't want no problems. So but literally, to go 30 miles, it took me 4 or 5 hours, which was crazy. I ain't never sat in traffic that long. Like, it was just, I mean, traffic was just barely moving. Like I'd move a couple inches, stop, move a couple inches, stop, move maybe like 100 yards, stop. Like, it was just crazy. So, but yeah, hopefully we can make it through LA today, and hopefully I can make it through this truck stop. So that's the plan for today. spot. When I got here, there weren't many spots left, so I found one and was able to park, so I'm thankful for that. And then I got here, and when I pulled in here, I had 3 minutes left on my clock. When I finished parking, I had 3 minutes left, so I did a post trip, went on sleeper berth. So I didn't know if I was gonna make it today because of all the traffic and all that, but you know, thankfully I made it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat and work on editing some videos, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and we're gonna get up in the morning and take off in the morning. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Just one of them days. So, man, I'm driving and all I hear is a loud pop noise. And look what we got. Man. Like it just popped. Overheated, overinflated, whatever, I don't know. But I gotta call maintenance and see where the closest tire place is so I can try to get it replaced. All right, y'all, so we got some good news, we got some bad news. All right, the good news is that the company, they found some people to come out to replace this tire, so you know, they'll be out here to replace it. But the bad news is that the TA, Travel America people that are coming out, they're 70 miles away. And not only are they 70 miles away, but they got 3 people ahead of me on the list right now. So we're talking potentially 4 to 5 hours of me just waiting here and you know, waiting for them to get here. So it's funny because somebody asked me a question on one of my videos the other day: how many miles can they expect doing OTR flatbed? And you know, I told them, I gave them my estimate, you know, but I said nothing's guaranteed. And this is what I mean by nothing's guaranteed, right? Because I am potentially going to miss out on about probably 300 to 400 miles today that I could have done, okay? So, you know, we're just talking about potentially. I don't know yet, but we're just, you know, it could be more, it could be less. I don't know. But, you know, that might set me back a day on delivering this load. So that, you know, being that it's going to set me back a day on this load, you know, that's another load I could potentially miss out on. So say, you know, if everything would have went right and I would have got this load there tomorrow, I got to make 2 stops. But say I could have made the first stop tomorrow, and then, you know, potentially I could have made both stops tomorrow. But if I didn't, it's okay, because the other load doesn't deliver until Thursday, and it's Tuesday right now. So, but let's just say I could have got them both delivered tomorrow, right? If I could have got them both delivered tomorrow, I could have picked up another load, and I could have picked up another load was it Wednesday? No, I'm sorry. I got picked up another load Thursday morning because it's Tuesday right now and tomorrow's Wednesday. So I could have picked up another load Thursday morning, and you know, I could be driving that to where it needs to be right now, okay? And you know, say if that load would have delivered on Friday, I could have got it there Friday. Pay period ends Saturday at 12 at midnight. You know, all those miles could have been on my next check, you know, my check for next week. So you know, you see what I'm saying? So basically this is holding me back from getting the miles that I want to get, you know. So that's what I mean by nothing's guaranteed. Things happen out here, okay? So you know, hopefully I can still deliver the first I can deliver at the first stop tomorrow, hopefully. The second stop, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. That seems out the picture right now, just based on the time estimate I received. So but hopefully, you know, I can make the first stop tomorrow, and then I can make the second stop on Thursday, that's what it was originally scheduled for anyways. But you know, at the pace I was traveling, you know, at the time I was moving, you know, I could have got both loads there. Potentially I could have got them there tomorrow, you know, but it is what it is. And yeah, so I rambled on a long time right there. I just wanted to share that information with y'all. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna chill, relax. I might walk around here somewhere, I don't know. I don't really want to go too far from the truck. So, because I'm out in the middle of nowhere and I'm not familiar with these parts, so I don't really want to go too far from the truck. But I'm gonna edit my videos and edit some videos and, you know, just wait for these people to get here. Well, there goes the tire guy. And oh, I still got a flat tire. Dang, why my tire still flat? When the tire man, he was just here, why is it still flat? Oh man, he done got over on me. He done took off, he done wrote some stuff on there, he just done took off on me. So peep this, right? So the guy gets here, he's got a drive tire, right? So I don't know what's going on with rail maintenance. I have no idea what they, you know, I don't know what's going on, but he tells them, I guess the maintenance people, whoever's dealing with this guy, whoever the guy is, he told them that it's a drive tire that I need. I need a trailer tire. So I think I had a time before where they did put a drive tire on the trailer, but you know, so I was thinking it wasn't gonna be an issue, but you know, the guy, I guess they got in, the tire guy, they got in touch with the company, and the company says that they want a trailer tire. So he has to drive 70 miles back to the shop, and then he has to come back out here with the trailer tire. Now he said it's probably going to be somebody else, because about time he gets back, it's going to be time for him to go home probably. So I don't know what the maintenance staff is doing, but I mean, you know, I don't know whose fault it is, honestly. He's saying it's the company's fault because they gave him the wrong information. So, you know, I don't know, but it's just crazy, man. I've literally been here all day pretty much. It's been 4 hours going on 5 hours. You know, I guess that's not all day, but it seems like it. So it's just crazy, man. You can't make this stuff up, you know. But like I said, this is trucking, and some stuff is just out of your control, and this is one of the things that's just out of your control. You know, I'd have missed out a whole day on a whole day of driving. I could be out on that road right now. I'm supposed to be in Utah by now, probably stopping at my fuel stop. That's I think it's 380 miles away. Last time I looked at the GPS, I believe that's what it said. So, you know, I could be there by now, getting fueled up and getting back on the road and delivering this load in the morning. But I'm still here off the side of the highway on the entrance ramp. You know, the safest place I could park for my situation, honestly, you know. So it is what it is, man, you know. But I'm thankful that I got food and water, and you know, I'm okay, you know. But that's just crazy. They come all the way out here and bring the wrong tire, you know. Like I said, I don't know whose fault it is. They're saying it's rail's fault. It could be, but whatever happened, there was miscommunication, and I'm still out here. So I think I'm about to call my fleet manager and just let him know let him know the situation, what's going on. So my second delivery, I wasn't scheduled to deliver until Thursday. So you know, I should be able to get this load, make the first stop on Thursday, then hopefully I can make the second stop on Thursday as well. But this is messing with my money. I don't like that. But like I said, it's trucking, things happen, you know. You see trucks on the side of the highway all the time, broke down. You know, they have, you know, a lot of times, you know, well, now I don't know if it's a lot of times, but you know, sometimes when you see a truck broke down on the side of the highway, they got a lot more major issues than just a tire. You know, my situation is just a tire. You know, sometimes a truck, they might have engine problems. The engine might have gone out on them. You know, that's a bigger issue, because that'll probably put you down for some days, especially if you're an owner operator. You know, if you're a company driver, then they might be able to get you in another truck within a day or two. But you know, owner operator, I know they probably be stuff, you know, if they don't have another truck, if something go wrong with their truck, you know, they'll probably be down for a week, maybe longer, who knows. But as y'all can see, I ain't got nothing else to do but to ramble on, so that's what I'm doing right now, man. But it's just it's just crazy, man. I'm literally not moving, all because of that tire. And then on top of that, they don't bring the right tire, and he has to go back to the shop, get the right tire, and come back. So 70 miles, that's gonna take him at least an hour. And then who knows how long it's gonna take them at the shop to bring somebody out. I don't know, they might have somebody else who's out somewhere else, and you know, who knows, they might have to get somebody else. Like he said, he's gonna be home. By the time he gets back, he's gonna go home probably. So who knows how long it'll take somebody to come out here, you know, for him to get somebody else to come out here. So we're talking about, you know, 2 more hours that I'm sitting right here. At least 2 more hours, possibly 3 or 4, you know. So like I said, it is what it is. I'm gonna make the best of it. I just exported a video that I'm gonna upload, and I'm gonna drop it tomorrow, so y'all guys will see it before you see this video. So but like I said, I'm just gonna do what I can and find something to do. Like I said, thankful I got food and water, so I'm good. But just wanted to give y'all an update. All right, y'all. y'all, so I just got off the phone with Rail said that they sent them the right information and everything. They said the people at the shop told them they don't know why the guy brought out the drive tire or whatever. You know, who knows? I don't know. Who knows? Everybody's just pointing fingers at each other. So all I know is that I'm still on the side of the road and I'm not moving. But it is what it is. You know, I'm still staying positive. Let me see. Let me look up on the log real quick when I pulled over him. Because I logged it when I went up. So, okay, so 7:36 is when I stopped right here and went off duty, or went on sleeper berth. But, so 7:36, and right now, where's my phone at? Let me find my phone. So 12:48 right now. So 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12. Basically over 5 hours. So I've been sitting here for over 5 hours. And I'm probably gonna be here for another 2, honestly, because the shop is 70 miles away. And then they gotta get the right tire, then they gotta send somebody back here. So, and then on top of that, they gotta put the tire on, so that's gonna be even more time. So, you know, that's gonna be pretty much the whole day. Now I got 6 hours and 46 minutes left on my 14. I've already done went into my 8-hour and my 11-hour. I already done ate all that time up. So I got a total of 6 hours and 46 minutes left. So I'm just gonna guess I'll probably have, hopefully I'll have at least 4 hours of drive time, you know, when they get done putting that tire on. Hopefully, I don't know, but you know, yeah, pretty much my whole day is gone. I should be in Utah right now. I should already be done, stopped at my fuel stop and fueled up and still driving. So, but like I said, it's trucking. These things happen, you know. Can't do nothing about it. Just gonna like I said, stay positive and find some stuff to do. You know, I got like I said, I create this you know, I create these videos and stuff like that. So, you know, I spend time editing videos and, you know, watching YouTube videos and things like that. So it's not the end of the world. It just sucks, you know, when I know I could be driving, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's part of the job. These things happen. It's reality, you know. No matter what company you're with, no matter if you're an owner operator, lease operator, or company driver, it doesn't matter. These things happen. So it is what it is. Just gotta deal with it. All right, y'all, so the service guy, he came back. He's got the right tire this time, and I've been sitting here for 7.5 hours. Pretty much wasted the whole day. Hopefully he can pop this tire on real quick and at least give me 4 hours of drive time. I got 4 hours and 25 minutes left, so hopefully he can knock this out in at least 20 minutes. You know, it is what it is. Like I always say, you know, it's trucking, and you got to stay positive and realize these things are going to happen. You know, it was kind of crazy that they brought out the wrong tire, and then, you know, just really where I blew my tire at too is kind of crazy, because the nearest tire shop was 70 miles away, and that's them. So but actually my company, I think they said there was another shop nearby, but they weren't answering the phone. So these guys are they're the nearest people that were answering the phone. So that's 70 miles away. So he had to drive 70 miles here, then he had to drive 70 miles back to get the right tire, and then he got to drive 70 miles back here, and then he's gonna have to drive another 70 miles. So he's doing a whole lot of driving today. So well, not compared to what we do, but for what he does, he's doing a whole lot of driving. So but yeah, he's putting on that tire. I'm about to put up some stuff in here that I got out, because I plan on rolling as soon as he gets done. So hopefully I get 4 hours. I'll try to make it as far as I can to wherever truck stop, rest area. It don't matter at this point. I don't care. And we'll get up in the morning and drive again. So but like I said, once he gets done, I'm going to take off driving. So last time I came through here, I couldn't get a good shot of that stadium, but that's the stadium I was talking about that I delivered to before they built it up. It was just dirt. They were just breaking ground. So that's the stadium right there. All right, y'all, so I'm almost done taking a 30-minute break. We stopped here in Teasdale, Utah at this rest area, and we're about to get back on the road soon. So I'm going to continue driving for the rest of the day. I should get back close to 6 hours of drive time, so I need to figure out where I'm going to stop at, but I'll figure that out. But I'm about to check the load securement, make sure everything's straight, and then we're going to take off. Colorado. I'm about to go in here and take a shower real quick, and then there's a rest area that's about 50 miles away, and then I'm probably going to stop there for tonight. I might see if there's another one even further down, because I should have, well, I got 3 hours and 9 minutes of drive time left, and I got let's see, I got 4 hours and 45 minutes left on my 14. On the days I drive, I usually don't like using cutting into my 14 like that, but I haven't took a shower in 2 days. But you know, I washed up and all that stuff. You know, make sure y'all get rags and wipes and have some water with you, and of course soap, so you can you know, clean yourself up if you need to, or you know, if you're at a rest area or somewhere that's got water going there, and you know, try to clean up. I haven't gotten in the shower in 2 days, so I need to take a shower. So but yeah, I'm about to go in here. I'm getting my stuff together right now. I'm about to go in here and take a shower real quick, and then get back on the road. Like I said, I'm gonna try to see. I know there's a rest area 55 miles away, but I'm gonna try to see if there's one maybe a little bit further, since I got 3 hours of drive time left. So yeah, so once I come back, we'll get back on the road. Y'all, so I'm getting unloaded right now. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks to all the subscribers, thanks to all the people that like my videos, thanks to the people who leave comments. I appreciate everybody. I already got a pre-plan for my next load, so after this guy's done unloading me, I'm about to take off to pick up the next load. So like I said, appreciate everybody for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.